Big Island's got a style of music, and very proud of that. So I try to maintain that and share it with the rest of the islands and even in the rest of the world too.
A maia ka hua paano mahilo I ulu mai ai ko Mark Yamanaka aloha I ka puala Hawaii I hua mai ai kana pase de mualoa o lei pua keni keni.
As soon as you put in the CD, you can kind of tell already, you know, okay, this guy's from Big Island.
Ua ho'olaha ho'olaulea ia aku nei ka Mark Sede ho mapakele lounge I ho'olele ia ma ka puna I velea ma ke kiwi pū. Nui kona ike alohe ia he kupai ana hano o iai ko Mark ano ha'a aha mau mamua.
At first I was real closet. I was in the closet and or in the shower and very shy doing this kind of stuff. Looking back, I could never anticipate where I am now with the music. Traveling to Japan, to Tahiti and all these other places, and I could never foresee that.
I loko no, ka nui o ko Mark ka apuni ana I ka honua, ho'i mau ana ke aloha I kona aina aloha no o hilo, vehi I ka ua kani lehua.
It's like my shelter, you know, and my place where I can just be myself and ground myself.
E ki'i aku no I kaukope o lei pua keni keni, mana hale ku ai se de ano ka ike hou aku, e leka wila aku ia yamanakamusic@gmail kiko se o mu. O wau no kei o Amy Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawaii News Now. Aloha.